Teaching my daughter how to make dumpling. You roll him around, that's him, stuff him in there. And that's how it'll get tight, you see, because you pack it.
Okay.
It's like layering. Right? And then press him out now with your finger then. That's it. And you carry him to the pot. Come. To the pot. And you drop him in the pot. So, see there? And you do it again. You know what I make some big old cat wheel something now, you know. Take a piece of that and a ground dumpling. That's it. Roll them up. That's it. Turn faster, faster, faster.
I'm used to doing this.
That's alright. Try the faster. Backside. That's it. That's it. That's it. Make it round and like neat, like a ball. That's it. Make it neater. Right. And make sure so that finger in there with the porridge, you know, with the polish now going at it.
No, that's what I've got.
Right. That's it now. Press him out now. Don't press him out so much. That's it. Yeah, flatten down that side in. Yeah, that side in. Ah, you drop him in there now. Daddy would be proud. Daddy used to make some chuck wheel. My God. One dumpling save chair for 3 people. That's how broad the dumpling. But not tell no lie, Daddy ground dumpling them used to broad like the pan.
God.
That's a ground dumpling, isn't it?
Yeah.
Some big something. Man them.
Oh, that's
Yeah.
why then.
Pure dumpling in that part like they used to have yam and sometimes potato.
Yeah, like this.
Some people flatten out them dumpling because they don't really want, they want cartwheel. But people who want car wheel,
Steering wheel.
that, no, we want car wheel, a little bit of pump. Just flatten a little bit. That's it. Drop him in the pot. Some always have that navel looking thing, you get me? That belly, that's to hold the gravy, you get me? So when the dumpling cut, you go, Felix, you get me? So you must have a belly in it, right?
Yeah.
Never forget that. That the dumpling, they look big. This dumpling look extremely tight. Why it look so
Because
tough?
Mum, you told me to knead.
So how much meat you need it for?
I don't know.
About 10?
I don't know. My arm's aching.
Oh, yes, that's what they say when the back of your hand hurt you, that means the dumpling ready to go in that pot.
God.
Alright, flatten him a bit, him look hulky. Like, no, flatten the whole entire thing, right around the perimeter. Flatten, yeah. Let me see him. That's crazy, the dumpling them massive. Now make them so big again, that one there for you.
Okay. Well, I like these dumplings.
Yeah, but that one is too big. Stop, that's too big, yeah. Let me show you. This is my dumpling. Hold this, let me show you. This is how we do it. You saw, you push it in and knead him. Bring him right round, so. See? See, you round him up. You round him up, so you make your finger hold him, so you round him. See, then?
That means if I do this, you're gonna make me do dumplings every
See,
time.
then look. That's how you do it. Kind of get in that middle. So you see that centerpiece? You kind of sink a bit. So when the gravy, when you cook now, you have a belly, and the gravy is when you cut it, go feel it. You get me? The dumpling feel the lick. You get me? We don't want no big back dumpling, right?
Man.
Come on now. Let me see the size.
Too small.
Eyeball the thing. Use your eye to ball the thing. That's it. See, make the hook in your finger, that's the round up. So hook your finger. Turn your finger so. Come on, me talk to myself.
Yeah. Because what are you on about?
Let me just show you how to hook the dumpling in your blood clot finger. You ask what me a talk about.
Yeah, but it looks fine. Look, see?
Go on then, do your thing with it. Yeah, and make one deep sink hole. Right, you see around here, so I don't like how this look.
Give me the...
Hold this. I don't like how that look. I say hooky something so.
No.
And push in it. See him there? Push him in. So.
I didn't
See?
do that.
No, you have to hooky. So, round. You saw that part round? Right? So that's how we make food with dumpling in a Manchester. You get me?
I'm from Coventry.
This, you see him? Every yardie in a Manchester have the same size dumpling. Same circumference. Same
Except
thickness.
for granddad.
We not in the granddad have I think we have grown dumpling. We not in the big back dumpling, nice size. You get me? No one look too huggish in the plate. You get what I'm saying? Right in the pot. Go on now. Go on again. And guess what now? You have to go stir the pot because the rest of you drop in there stick up in the bottom.
That's what I was going to ask you to do.
Alright, here what you do. Do the last dumpling here. Yeah.
You told me to make a
Yeah,
C shape.
make a C shape. Go on, girl. Go on. Make it smooth, you know. Just round the side for smooth. Smooth and round. No hole, no dips. There you go. I like the gravy looking. Imagine when you're a gravy going at that. Jesus. You need a spoon for drinking. See that?
Dumpling bowl.
That's it. I don't make pure dumpling in there for
No.
Like how you good pan rice.
No.
Flatten him a little bit. No big back, no big back. Flatten him and give him the C still. When I say flatten him, like press him no back, but press him no. See him there? You're afraid of him? Press him and use the rest of your finger them. Look how around us look chippy. So your dumpling will come out looking chippy. Your dumpling will come out looking smooth like a cement makey. You get me?
The cement didn't make it, I
What's,
did.
I can't take him out your head. We're carrying dumpling in that pot. Let me turn this here, cause sure. I'm going good though. Watch ya! Me just look for 1 second. Kuya, I fool me. People are kind of want to make the dumpling them. Look here. The pot gone over to you. Me I give you the tune.
No.
Me I give you the spoon for the one, the bowl for the crown, and the food in a heat. You go start cooking here. Oh,
Because I'm
look here.
used to the
Look here. No big background here. Look at gravy catcher. Hey, come, we can go over in that pot. Kaka. Hey, in the pot. Look how you done professional. BDI. See again. Go on. Donkey said the word no level. Go through a big back dumpling. The one you're broad. Nice. I can't wait to taste them now.
No,
They're gonna pop out my teeth. Can you say you need from yesterday?
Yes. My arms are aching as it is.
That's good sign. Dumpling well, Chris. Everybody wanna think your first dumpling ever. Your first cooked dumpling this?
I've been
When you ever cook dumpling in here? We not talk about fried dumpling.
long time ago, I think. I've done it.
You make dumpling in here and don't know how to do it?
No.
Liar
ages
tell.
ago, but I don't
A dream
like
is a
it.
dream. Put that in that pot and come again. That one is perfect.
It's a lot of dumplings.
We'll make fish and dumpling. You're going to peel the banana them in a minute.
Why me? Why?
And the sweet potato. That's it. That's what we are. I'm just go through the pot and I check the dumpling them and I buck up on the bread here. I can't even lift him up out of the pot when heavy. Look on him. This are like overweight champion, heavyweight champion. Almighty God, there's something heavy on the spoon, me nah lie. Yo, this kinel. No, so look at the dumpling bread in the we can't stop. Look at the dumpling bread in the pot. It look unusual in the pot. I only one dumpling here I get.
No.
What the hell? So, Adeja cook the food, as Grandpa would say in Kingston. Ground provision. And me do the salting, which is the fish, right? So, she do the dumpling, she peel the potato, and she cut up the banana. But, grace of mercy, God, you saw the potato, them still have speckles in it. So, we have to go through the part there. Ew. Hot. Be hot, guys. Yeah, we're going to talk about that little part there. Soon. We're going to teach her again. I'm telling her to cut them out in a but boy, I learn. Get another plate. I'm going to let him out. May I get the dumpling for Deja, the big old dumpling. So let's try and find him. Where your brother there? Your brother sink to the bottom. Oh, a big back there. Alright, let me take out the banana first. Can't find big back at the moment. You want one of that or you want half? All of it. Alright. Tell us I want dumpling here get. Is that enough? Remember say you're gonna have bami and You want more dumpling? You can't have one more. Make sure you're yummy off. The one with the gravy. Alright. Take this off quickly. Yeah. Put that missile. Turn him back around. Okay. Alright. So now man, it get from bad to worse now. Me tell her if you take out the little that would grow root in the potato. You get me some little eye thing, me tell her if you take it out. Zoom out, I can't see him. See him there? I'm gonna get some juice now. You hold this. Hold it right, that's it. I'm gonna get some gravy on him. Yeah. You want some more veg?
That's alright.
That's him. See him, the people? Show them the thing. You get me? Are you cook that dish? Eh? Are you do that natural? Yeah, look at that. Alright, you can take for yourself now.
Can I have another bammy?
Bumbleclot, you're not to taste that one yet.
Well, you know I like bammy.
It's alright, man.
Thank you.
Just looking at the pot, so I never have nothing for later now. Right, guys, this is for me now. It's for me, I know, guys. It's for me. So I come with the big fish. Wow. See him there? Yeah. Some bammy to the side. Some crackers. And lots of veggies. See that? See him there? And then I'm gonna get some gravy now and throw up on top of him. Look at that, guys. Nice, isn't it? Our dumpling them a shot. Not tell no lie. That's a really nice. I like how I steam it with the frying down. Snapper. Really nice. Really, really nice. Wow. Cracker's kind of hot. Pumpkin nice. Cabbage nice. I'm gonna taste the dumpling. I'm gonna cut it, but I'm gonna bite it. The chewing gone to you now. I need dumpling in ya. Texture. The chewiness. If it's careful, that one will fly down. It's tight. You're so nice, guys. I'm not lying. You're so nice. Alright. Yes, sir. The bummy. Guys, the bummy. The bummy. Ah. Yeah, everything nice. Gotta go now. Serious time. Look. Can't go in now. See big dumpling there. 2 bites intake. I can't go. I give him 2 dumplings. I tell him say one in there have. He said no, but look there. Can't go in now. Oh God, you look good though. Good, you look good over there.